To set up Authorize Net webhooks. Start by understanding what webhooks are and how they work. Webhooks are callbacks made by the Authorize Net system to a URL you specify, allowing your application to receive real-time notifications of events such as payment processing, subscription updates, and customer information changes. First, log into your Authorize Net account and navigate to the Webhooks section. Here, you will find a list of available webhook events, including payment notifications, customer updates, and subscription changes. Choose the events you want to receive notifications for and click on the Create Webhook button. Next, specify the URL that will receive the webhook notifications. This URL should point to a script on your server that can handle the incoming webhook data. Make sure the URL is secure, using HTTPS, to prevent unauthorized access to sensitive information. Then, select the events you want to receive notifications for, such as payment charged successfully, payment failed, or customer information updated. You can also specify additional details, such as the merchant ID and the specific types of events you want to receive. After setting up the webhook, you will need to verify it by responding to a verification request from Authorize Net. This ensures that your server can receive and process the webhook notifications correctly. To handle incoming webhook notifications, create a script on your server that can parse the incoming data and take the necessary actions. This may involve updating your database, sending notifications to customers, or triggering other business logic. When handling webhooks, it is essential to implement security measures to prevent unauthorized access and ensure the integrity of the data. Use secure protocols, such as HTTPS, and validate the incoming data to ensure it comes from Authorize Net. Best practices for setting up Authorize Net webhooks include testing your webhook setup thoroughly, using a secure URL, and implementing error handling to ensure your application can recover from any issues that may arise. By following these steps and best practices, you can set up Authorize Net webhooks to receive real-time notifications and improve the efficiency and effectiveness of your application.